Yes, he's spoiled. After his veggies, I hold his bowl of food, and he wants to eat like this. He's making a mess on me. Ay, Stanley. Mommy had you so spoiled. I don't know if you've seen his food, but I was going to empty out this food. Look at this mess he made on me. Because this was from yesterday. But I guess he didn't eat yesterday, but I always give him fresh food. Every day. This mess you made, now I have to sweep. Gosh darn it, Stanley. There he goes. He wants to eat more. And I got a piece of dry fruit in there for him. I guess he didn't want to eat it. And now that he's seen I was going to empty this in the garbage, now he decides he wants to eat it. So I guess now I have to wait before I give him fresh food. Every day he gets fresh food, fresh water. See, he's standing on there. All right, now can I give you fresh food? Now can I give you fresh food, love? No, you're still going to eat it? Oh my goodness, that's why you got some chunky feathers. He's a good boy. He's mama's good boy. You're not having none of his food. He won't share his food, my love. See?